Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your XIAOMI A Pro TV. To do that, you have to press the gear button on your remote control to open Quick Settings menu, and after that, go to All Settings and scroll down to System. Then you're gonna have to go to About section, select System Update, and let your TV check for available update, and if it finds one, select Download to start downloading an update. You're gonna need to have internet, so Wi-Fi connection established to do that. So if your update doesn't start downloading, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and then just wait until the update is downloaded and installed. Okay, and once the update is ready, just click Restart Now and let your TV restart. After the restart, your software will be updated to the latest version. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.